Avocado, with its unique color, is not only a delicious fruit with what we make juices and a tasty dishes of fruits, but avocado is considered as a source of vital vitamins that the body need daily, and a solid shield that prevent the body from numerous viruses and illness. Check below 2 advantages of eating avocado daily. Avocado prevents cardiovascular diseases. Avocado contains monounsaturated fats that are known to help weight loss and reduce the risk of heart diseases. Studies have shown that, due to the high levels of these healthy fats and beta-sitosterol, avocado-rich diet can lower the level of triglycerides, overall cholesterol level and the level of LDL cholesterol, while at the same time raising the level of good, HDL cholesterol. Avocado is good for blood pressure too. Its high levels of potassium along with vitamin C and E lower the blood pressure both short and long term and keep the blood vessels healthy. Avocado helps prevent cancer. Avocado contains many potent antioxidants such as carotenoids, defensin, xanthophylls and glutathione. These play an important role when it comes to protecting and repairing cells from oxidative stress and stimulating death in those that are irreparably damaged. Higher levels of carotenoids are linked with lower risks of digestive cancers, breast cancer in women and prostate cancer in men, and glutathione lowers the risk of oral cancers. All of these phytochemicals are absorbed better in the presence of fats that avocado is naturally rich with, and oleic fatty acid makes its own contribution to lowering the risk of breast cancer. Thank you for watching. Down finger. Subscribe to YouTube channel now. Down finger.